Okay guys, I promise this is the last unit circle project video. Just one more thing. Please make sure that you add highlighters to the angles that are connected to one another. This is super important for me to be able to mark it, but also to make sure you know that this information goes together. So all of the yellow box here is attached to this spot on my unit circle. It has 0 degrees, also 0 radians, or 360 degrees, 2 pi radians, and the ordered pair is 1, 0, so that we know the cosine of 0 degrees or 360 degrees is 1, and the sine of 0 or 360 degrees is 0. Okay, so all of these yellow highlighted bits are related to one another with symmetry, as well as each individual yellow bit belongs together to one spot on the unit circle. Similarly, these 4 purple bits, okay, so make sure you highlight all the information. In each of these bits of information, you should have an x coordinate, a y coordinate, degrees and radians, and angle in radians and angle in degrees as well. So 4 different things for each of these. The blues are all related to each other symmetrically, and the greens are all related to each other symmetrically. Okay, super important to have that as your last little bit to tidy up your unit circle project. Okay, you're gonna take a picture of it and send it to me. Now, a quick and easy way, well, I think over the years, I figured out this is maybe the easiest way to be talking about ordered pairs in a unit circle. So if we have our x-axis here, y-axis here, and we just concentrate on only quadrant 1, okay? So only thinking about quadrant 1, we know that there's going to be in the middle here for 45 degrees to divide that. And we also know there are 30 degrees, 30, 60, 90, so divided in 3 equal parts here. We know what the ordered pairs are for each of these because it's a unit circle, so 1 over 0 up, 0 over 1 up. Now, these ordered pairs here, this is just a way that I've noticed. Every single ordered pair has a denominator. Every single coordinate has a denominator of 2, except on the axes, the 0 and 1s and negative 1s. So we're going to eventually put all of them in fractions over 2. But before that, let's think about, if we think about the x coordinate only, x coordinates increase it as we go to the right. So x coordinates only, they increase as we go to the right. So the numbers 1, 2, and 3 also increase as we go to the right. So number 1, 2, and 3 I put across there. If we think about y coordinates increasing as we go up, so next we'll put the y coordinate. Increasing as we go up, 1, 2, 3, okay? Y coordinates increase as we go up. All of these are actually square rooted. Square root of 1 is actually 1, so we don't need to square root it. All these are square rooted. Square root of 1 is still 1, and they are all over a fraction of 2, denominator of 2, every single one of them. So that's just a way that I've remembered how the unit circle goes. So 1, 2, 3 on the x's, 1, 2, 3 on the y's going up. Add the root signs, add the 2 as the denominator. Okay, if you're looking for a way to memorize. Now, this then can be flipped in each of the axes. So this information can flip to be down here. This information can flip to be over here, and then either take this and flip it down or this and flip it over to be over in here in quadrant 3. Okay, as you do that, keep in mind that these are related. This is related to this. And then also, similarly, same distance up, come down like this. Okay, so all of these will be related to each other. In other words, this ordered pair is the same ordered pair as here, here, and here, except make sure you have your correct signs for which quadrant it is in. Over in quadrant 2, so if we think of quadrant 1 as being all positive, positive, quadrant 2 the x's are always negative and the y's positive. Quadrant 3, the x's are always negative and so are the y's. And quadrant 4, the x's are positive and the y's are negative. Okay, so that hopefully will help you. So root 3 over 2 and 1/2 still stays root 3 over 2 and 1/2 is the ordered pair over here, but the x has to be negative. Still stays down here, root 3 over 2 and 1/2, but they are both negative. Still stays here, root 3 over 2 and 1/2, but x, only the y is negative. Okay. Similarly, we have the blues related. So come down here. This is our 45 degrees, and we also have another 45 degrees here. So all of these will be related. So this ordered pair will also be here, here, and here with the correct negatives and positives. So all of these are root 2 over 2. In this quadrant, x is negative. All of these are root 2 over 2. In this quadrant, they are both negative. These are root 2 over 2. And in this quadrant, only the y is negative. Okay, last one. Well, not last one because I don't have all my axes on here, but the greens are symmetrical like this. Okay, so this ordered pair also is over here, but the x-coordinate is negative. It is also down here. They are both negative. It is also here, and the y-coordinate is negative. Okay, similarly, put on the rest of your, well, there's only these left to go. -1, 0, and down here, 0, -1. And then, of course, counting around for your degrees and counting around for your radian angles. Have fun.